back to another video. Today we'll be going over a market recap on today. Today's March 9th, 2022. So yeah, let's get into it by starting to take a look at ticker symbol NVIDIA, NVDA. Now, while I was taking a look with NVIDIA, as you guys can see, NVIDIA had a gap up and ended up finding a support level around this 22.30 cent level, which was also close to yesterday's previous resistance. And as you guys can see, its previous resistance was now becoming a support. So I took this as a bullish sentiment. So I started to take a look at this stock for a long. So as you guys can see, we're going to get into it today. As you guys can see, we had some pre-market resistance around this area, around the 22.20, the 224.30 level, 225 level, and had its support level like we were saying. Okay, so one thing was I noticed with the stock was it was consolidating, having higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and a rejection of this 25.80 level, a rejection of this 22.26 level. It was hard to hold, but as you guys can see, created a series of higher lows. It did break down once from this wedge, as you guys can see, but immediately got bought up. At this point, the SPY was starting to go up and the SPY was starting to change its direction. But the thing with NVIDIA was holding stronger than the market. So the stock was, as we would say, outperforming the market. So now when I got interested in this stock was when it created a rejection of 225.80 level. It got rejected once, it got rejected twice, but it kept having a series of higher lows, as you guys can see over here. So it had a series of higher lows. I took a look at the stock and I'm like, okay, this is a nice support level. This is a nice resistance level. It's about a 60-cent stop. So it gives you more than enough room for comfort to hold on to this stock. And you got the breakthrough and the follow through with the stock. Now, one thing that was really nice with this stock that if you missed this stock, as you guys can see, it kind of repeated its past. It created a resistance. It was creating this support level here, like it was creating its support levels, and then it broke down, got bought up, had its consolidation candle once again, had its consolidation over here, and then had a continuation of the move. And what would lead you to once again go long, something that would give you even more reassurance about going long, is that this 225.80 level had became a support level. So this area where people were taking profits and people were finding it hard to push over, they decided to start buying at this area, and that led to a continuation of the stock. And yeah, so that was the only trade I was really looking for today, March 9th, 2022. I hope this has helped you, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.